Well, here it is. My very first fan box unboxing. Not just a fan, he's also a friend. Matchbox Mark. He sent me this today, which I just got. Paid $25 just in shipping. It's insane. It's a letter, a little crumbled up. Hey, homie. Can't wait to see what you can pull out of your hat with these babies. Matchbox Mark. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on. It's hard for me to read that, so I read it like a 3-year-old. Holy shit. Damn. Mark, seriously? Gee, I wonder if I have any of these. Wow. That's great. Another one. There's all kinds of cool stuff here. And yes, I am like the unnamed ones, or yeah, that's just made in China, but it's awesome. I could do something really cool with that. I'm not going to show each individual car because this will take forever. That's sick. That's one of Tonka's. I think I had a big one like this at one time when I was a little kid. Well, that's crazy. Good post-apocalyptic build about this one. I like that. Winkmobile. For all my cop friends out there. Wink wink. Smells like bacon. That's crazy. It's missing a front end. It's an old Mustang, but that's fine. I'm sure I can find something to do with this. That's crazy. I can't really read it. I have my glasses on, and I think it just says made in China. It's got dualies in the back. Oh, damn. The base is missing and all, but still, do something with it. Here's a base. An engine. Don't think that would quite fit. Of course, I have a Dremel. I can make anything fit, but that's definitely somebody who repainted this. I can't remember read what brand this is. Gatming or something. It's pretty cool. Ford of some kind. I don't know who that's from. I really can't read half of these. I don't hear you read it. Oh, cool, a ferret. It's missing the turret, but still, it's a ferret. That's neat. I don't have anything like that. And Marty's Matchbox Makeovers has a bunch of these. There's a shell, dune buggy, and a spare wheel. I think I already have one of those. That's cool. A serious freaking convertible here. Wow. Post-apocalyptic build. Oh, that is neat. Oh, damn, the door's missing. Oh well. Make something out of it. That's cool. I like that. Back of a garbage truck. Looks like to a matchbox. Charger. I just bought one of these new. Ah. That's gonna need some work. I don't care about the little man inside, but I'm gonna have to replace the wheels somehow. Oh, look, another Unimog. Cool. With no tires. So I can always yank the spare. Oh, it's been yanked. What the? And this has been screwed together. Okay, then. Maybe I'm going to go through the whole box. I don't know. That's beefy. There's another Winkmobile. Heck, cab. Let's put one on each end. Yes, I'm retarded. Oh, cool. I wanted another one of these. Of course, this is going to need a lot of work, but I can do something with it. I thought those are guns for a minute there. It's pretty crazy. Made in China. No name. Still cool. Wheel drive. Chevy. Get all these back in the box. I'm not sure what that is for. It's a thingy. It goes in the back bottom of that thingy. I think it's old Willys or something. Crazy looking rig. I could do something nuts with that. That's an old Matchbox. Missing axles and tires, but that's no big deal. Put something aftermarket on there if I want to. Another shell. Sort of a 4x4 fantasy car. Pretty cool. Okay, that's just mentally ill. 3 different size tires. Hey, another trailer. This has got more to it. This will be a lot easier to do something with. I don't think that goes on there. But it does, I think. I'll have to check it out later on. He's missing his highest cream. Yeah, no big deal. I need axles and wheels. I would make a windshield, that's no big deal. A weird truck. Another base. To a truck. Here's a shell. Oh, I can do something crazy with that. It's like a Ford. Something really weird. It's almost like Cruella de Vil's car, but different. That's just freaky. I might give this to my great nephew, my niece's son, because it's just too crazy. I mean, it's something he would really like. He's only like 2. Oh no! Oh, I wanted one of these. It's Celica, but it's missing all the parts. Ah! Oh well. No big deal. Hello, Jer. Here's my goofy husband.
I'm hungry.
Yes, I know. I'm making a video. Cop car. No name brand, but still cool.
When are we getting food? It's late.
Making a video. Don't make me get all bitchy on you. Another Winkmobile. And another base. Looks like I did go for the whole box. That's a Mercedes base. Cool. Thinking that goes to the Benz ambulance. Oh, here they all are. This is everything. And thanks again, Mark. Matchbox Mark. Go to his channel. I'll put a link in the description. And I got a ton of stuff to add to what I already have to start building stuff. So, cheers.